So here's the deal. We're in my 2013 Volkswagen CC. Yes, the headliner needs to be redone, I know. And it has a bunch of Christmas tree lights on. So we have parking brake, power steering, ABS, traction control. Sometimes the brake light comes on, which is right next to the traction control, but otherwise airbag. Just a whole slew of these things. So what we need to do is pulled out my scan tool, and we have a bunch of codes coming up. So if we go to the brake system, and a lot of those other things are caused by these same things. If we go to the trouble codes, we can see that we have all these codes right here. 3 different wheel speed sensors. So I went into the live data and I checked for wheel speed sensors. Now, when I did this last time, the driver's side left front, left front, driver's side, would work. The passenger front, right front, would work sporadically. So I just replaced the right rear, and now when we drive, both those work. So we're good there. I'm going to replace all of the other 3. I bought 4 new sensors. We're just going to replace them all, and that should fix those lights. And Lord willing, then we will have ABS and traction control and not a whole slew of warning lights and everything every time you start the car. So let's do it and see what happens. So we pulled off the tire. Here is our wheel speed sensor, and we need to pop this out and then undo it. We just have 1 bolt down in there. There's our old sensor. Doesn't look damaged or anything. Let's put in our new one. So here's our new sensor. That will just go in right in there. If we can get it. And there we go. I don't know how, but whoever owned this car before me must have had a hobby of curbing wheels, because they managed to curb all 4. And I don't hardly know how that's possible. So, tires back on. Let's see what we're reading now. Sorry I'm a bit shaky. There we go. We have 1 more that's bad. Do that one. But also then we are going to replace the driver's side front just for the sake of it, so that they are all new, as I'm pretty sure that one is acting up slightly also. And it is triggering issues with the speedometer. Sometimes when we're driving, the speedometer will just drop down 20-some, 30-some miles an hour, sit there for a second, and then jump back up. So I'm pretty sure that the driver's front here, although working on here, I'm pretty sure it's lagging sometimes. So we're going to replace that also, and then obviously the left rear, and we should be good to go. Got all 4 replaced, and just like that, started the car, all the lights went off. The light bulb light there is on because my brights, I have 30,000 lumen LED bulbs in there. So it thinks that they are burnt out, but that is not the case. And then we have a boost leak we have to fix, which is why that's on. So everything else is looking good. If we start going, all of them work now. 4 new sensors, everything's good. So that is that. Fixed what all? Power steering light, airbag, ABS, traction control, brake light, parking brake light. I think that was most of it. But yeah, all those things gone, all good. Thanks for watching.